Hi, I'm Michael Hall. I'm here at KubeCon with Puja Abbassi. Puja, tell me who you are, who you work for, and what do you do?
I'm Puja. I work for Giantswarm, and I'm the vice president of product there. So I take care of the products and strategy going forward, looking into what is next in cloud native.
So tell us a little bit about Giantswarm and what it is you make.
So Giantswarm builds a developer platform based on open source cloud native tools, a Kubernetes-based platform that enterprises use in a managed fashion. So it's like a private system that the enterprise gets into their data center or their region in the cloud. But we are on call for it. We take care that everything stays up, and we evolve it over time. So if something changes in the ecosystem, if new things come up, we try to evolve the stack, bring in new technologies, bring in innovation into the companies.
And how do you work with ARM technology?
So ARM came up quite over the last few years, especially in relation to customer requirements towards cost reduction, sustainability, trying to see can we do more in the edge, but can we also do more in the clouds with other types of machines? Can we be more efficient? Mm-hmm. And this is where we started looking into could we do node pools with ARM? Could we do edge devices on ARM? And how complex is that? Which is not that complex, but then how much work is it for end users to adopt multi-architectural and all these technologies? This is the exciting part of where ARM comes in.
Yeah. So we are at KubeCon and it just started. So I can't ask you what your favorite part has been so far, but maybe what are you looking forward to at this event?
I think I'm especially looking into different spaces of security and policy validation. There is some things coming in that are standardizing on Cell as a language, but also to look into what is new out there, how can we make security easier for the end users? How can we better enable developers to adhere to the policies and compliance regulations that we have as a company.
And you have a booth here today, right?
Yes, we do have a booth, I think over at I-10. And just come by, talk to us. Happy to.
Excellent. And one last question. What is Giantswarm's involvement in the Cloud Native Compute Foundation project and ecosystem?
So in the Cloud Native community, we've been now for, I think, the last 7 years, and we try to contribute a lot upstream. We use all the open source tools in the ecosystem, but we're trying to not just use them, but every time we have a use case that is not in, bring it upstream, evolve it, and also bring all the end user feedback from all our enterprise customers back into the project and see how we can get better as a community and not keep everything for ourselves.
All right, excellent. So you can find out more at giantswarm.io, correct? All right. Thank you, Puja Abbassi, everybody.
Thank you, Mike.
Thank you for joining us.